Hello friends, today I'll be going to teach you about some basic things of private blog network. Most of them say like PBN network. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about basic thing of PBN network, private blog network. This guide is specially meant for the beginners who are just started with blogger to giving the basic idea about what is PBN, how the how bloggers do good money from PBN. So PBN, the definition of PBN is a building additional WordPress websites on the related topics. So if you are doing blogging on a technology blogs, then you have to create websites or blogs, WordPress blog on the related topic, only on topics which you have taken with a niche in your blog. So if you are selecting technology, then there creates several number of blogs which are having same niche, same as your blog. So if you are selecting technology, then create n number of websites using WordPress and having a same niche. So next is only having and giving a link. Once you created a blog using your WordPress or any HTML or CSS using those type of PHP framework, so you need to give a backlink, one backlink to your main website which you want to rank at a higher. So your one website will be the main website and other website will be the sub website which you will be linking to the main website. So in after few months, like after 3 or 4 months, that website will get start ranking higher and higher. So once that website get ranking, it can start getting traffic to your blog, rank in Google, Yahoo, Bing. In that, it will start ranking slowly after 2 months, 3 months. Once you start doing like um, giving more and more backlink. And one tip and tricks over here is that if you are taking a domain which is already used by any other person, which is higher having a higher page rank or DA domain authority, then it will be help you more as compared to if you are buying a new domain. If you are buying a new domain, it won't be having any page rank or DA has kind. It will be all will be zero. If you are buying the old domain, it will be having a DA, page rank, and all those things. So it will be help you in getting rank at a faster rate in the Google or search engines. So next, once it started getting traffic, you can redirect it. There is a 301 redirect. So many bloggers, what they do, they just redirect their old blogs with sub blogs to the main domain, main blog. So whoever will be coming to your sub blogs will be redirected to your main blog. So your main blog traffic would be increased and you will be earning good amount. So the main idea is the same thing. You have to first rank your blog, sub blogs, and giving a link to your main blog, and then after once you start getting a good amount of traffic, you can redirect those using 301 redirect to your main blog. So next is you can redirect those to the main domain, and all the authorities and keywords will be passed to your main domain. So one idea is using a age domain. So you can find it using domcorp.com. There are many websites which I'll be explaining in my later tutorial about what is 301 and how to buy the old domain. I will be explaining you in next part. But the idea, I think you have got clear about what is PBN. PBN is a simple techniques. You will be having one main block and you will be creating n number of blocks, sub blocks, and you will be giving a link to your main blog, and once these sub blogs started ranking in a Google, you will be redirecting to 301 to your main blog. So in the search engine, whoever click on your subdomain blogs will be get redirected to your main blog. So this is a simple idea behind the PPL. There is one more technique. So how to create this website? You can use your blog, WordPress platform, which is simplest one, and all the bloggers are using WordPress only. Most of them, not all. So next is if you are trying to do it in a free version way. So there are two ways using tumblr.com. Just click on get started, and what you can do, you can register as your you give the username and password, not a password, username has your blog name only. So there is one other way using wordpress.com, not wordpress.org. Over here also you can create a blog, and then once it started ranking, you can redirect. The problem is over here, in this type of free platform, it will be difficult to redirect the website. So I prefer you to buy a good hosting, where you can host an website, and you can create many websites using blog. Buy an old domain, and then when it started ranking, just redirect to your main blog. So in this way you will be getting more traffic to your blog. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.